up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got a warehouse walk for you today. Over 15 classic cars for sale. We're going to briefly go over them. Go over the year, the make, the model, the condition, prices, kind of where the market is headed with these classic cars. If you like classic cars, guys, and want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit the subscribe button. This is the end of June 2024, midsummer market update. At the end of the video, you will see us at the other lot, at our lot walk through. So do not exit. Stay until the entire video so you can see our projects at the other lot, cars that are coming up for sale. We'll go ahead. We got a nice little Mopar back there, some Fords, some Chevys, nice Camaro, Chevelle, convertible, another Mustang back there. But we'll start with this puppy over here. 1980 Chevy Camaro Z28. This has got a 350 under the hood, T-tops, automatic transmission, runs and drives awesome, sitting on Kragers. It's got a couple flaws in the body, but it's a solid car. Look at the interior. T-tops are all intact. There's no cracks on them or anything. It's got the air induction hood. Got this one listed at $13,500. $13,500 for this nice Z28. Moving on to a Ford product. This has got a little bit of nostalgia behind it. Ford Fairlane 500. We've had this vehicle for a while. They call it lot rot. Been sitting on our lot for a while. It's got a 289. It's a Southern car. Came from South Carolina. It's got no rust on it. It drives good. I've driven the car a few times. American racing wheels. Interior's in good shape. It's a 1965. This one, guys, rock bottom price, $12,500. Where are you gonna get a clean 289 with no rot, no rust, runs and drives good, just needs to be spiffied up, cleaned up, for $12,500. We offer financing. We can finance this one for as little as $1,500 down and ship it to your doorstep. Brand new tires on it, automatic. $12,500. That's a steal in my opinion. We're running a special on that one. Time for this one to go. So if you're interested, let me know. Moving on, I got a truck here. 82 S10. This is a race truck. They call it a mini truck. It's got huge back tires in the rear. It's got smaller tires up front. It's got a cammed up 350. A lot of work has gone into this car. This was a local car. Came from Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Was my client's car. Got about $20,000 invested in this truck. Real nice on the inside. Nice seats. It's a quick truck. I think it's maybe 11s or 12s. Got this one posted for 15 grand. I had it up higher, brought it down. I did turn down 15 before. I thought the truck was worth more, just because the amount of labor and time and effort he put in this truck, I couldn't see just to give it away. 15 buys it. He's got 20+ thousand invested in this truck. If anybody's interested, let me know. It's clean, no rot, no rust. Then we got this Camaro Z28. I believe it's a 91, 305, about 65,000 miles on it. Convertible. Got this one listed at $15,000. It's clean. Nice black color. Let's see if we can get over to the interior. Interior's in good shape, automatic, power windows, top's in good shape. It's ready to roll. 15 grand, ship it anywhere. Now guys, real quick, like before we get into all these cars over here, we offer shipping all over the US. So if you see anything you like, we can ship it to you, and we also offer financing. But here's the thing, the prices you see on this video may not be the advertised price, they may be higher. I do a YouTube special where I give you an absolute rock bottom price. So please subscribe if you want to get the best price that we have available. Okay, next, 67 Mustang, 4-speed factory bench seat. What makes this car special, it's an S code. S is in Sam, and that came with the 390 big block. Rare car. Vinyl top, $35,000. These you don't see every day. Interior's nice. Paint's nice. Just a nice solid car. Especially for an S code, they're hard to find under $40,000, being a 4-speed. Okay, moving on. 64 Chevelle Malibu SS convertible. True SS car. SS by VIN number. Not a perfect car, but a great driver. It's got a 350 under the hood. Automatic transmission. It's got a power glide. Got this one listed at $35,000. 35 grand buys it. I think that's a good deal. What do you think? 35,000. You don't see the Malibu SS's in convertible too often. I just smacked my knee on that. Moving on, 68 Camaro, 396 4-speed. 396 4-speed. This thing's a beast. Got rallies. It sits nice. It's clean. The exterior is clean. Interior is also clean. I mean, there's not a whole lot of flaws on this car. We do have a full walkthrough coming out. You can also check on our page. But just a nice car. Got this one at $42,500. That's another good deal on this one. Big block car for around $42,000. I mean, that's a good deal. These are usually 50 plus. And this car came out of Bristol, Pennsylvania. Local car. Guy owned it for 15 plus years. Took care of it. What do you guys think? I think that's a good deal. Moving on. Got a couple Foxbodies here. Got a convertible with 50,000 miles on the odometer. Automatic. It does need to get detailed. We just got it in. Seats are clean underneath, but they do have covers on them. The guy had them to protect them. Top's in good shape. It's an automatic top. 16 grand on this. And then its partner over here is a 93 GT50. This thing is absolutely smoking clean. That one's clean, but this one's cleaner. This, I got every service record pretty much since new. Manual transmission. It's a hatchback. This thing came from out west. There's not a spot of rust, not an ounce of anything on this. I mean, this is a real nice car. It's got factory moonroof. I got the original window sticker from when it was new. And then I got this one listed for $18,500. Moving on, 67 Ford Mustang 289 automatic transmission, non-power steering, manual brakes. This is a more than a project. It's a daily driver, but it needs a lot of little things. So the seats are not in the best shape. It needs a headliner. But it's get in and go, you know. Slowly fix it up over time. It's got a good look to it. This one's 17 grand. It's the money year, 67. I think this, if this was like a 65 or 66, it'd probably be listed at 15. But because it's a 67, they're just so hard to find. Got a little flaw right here in the trunk lid, but overall, the car shows real well. Making it nice, I would just throw some power steering in it and you're good to go. 17 grand. Then we got these two beauties, a little Mopar, we'll get to that in a second. 71 Cyclone. This is a one owner car. I got every document since new. I got the window sticker. It was owned by a German gentleman that came here from Germany, worked in a factory. This was his American dream to buy this car, and he bought it new. It's 90% original paint. It's had a barely little bit of paint work done to it. It's got no body work done to it. Came from Georgia, so it's all original, no rust at all. 32,000 buys this one. And it's an AC car, AC works. This is a collector car. This is a nice car for somebody. Next, we have a Mopar or no car baby, 1970 Challenger, 340 automatic. 340's got a nice cam. It's nicely built. There's no rot, no rust on this car. It's clean. Underneath is clean. Interior is clean. It's just a solid car. 40,000 buys this one. It's listed at 39,999. 40 grand buys it. Just a nice, clean Mopar. We don't carry a lot of Mopar because Mopar people are crazy. They don't want to sell them. They want top dollar. But this car is nice. Beautiful wheels on it, sitting on radials. Interior is nice. And we do have full walkthroughs of all of our cars, guys. If you go onto our page, subscribe, you can go in and you can watch this, me do a full review of that, full review of this, full review of that. Each one I do full reviews, test drives, everything. And now we got a couple ones for the kids. We'll get into these Beamers in a second, but I want to talk about this Land Rover. Land Rover Discovery Series 2. This is a 67. Came from Florida. Originally Costa Rican car. Was imported to the U.S. Got this one listed at 30,000. And this is like a museum quality type build. This car's been all done. It actually was in a Costa Rican museum in Florida, is from my understanding. Client passed away and his daughter sold it to us. Actually sold two to us, but this thing is clean. It's got 7-passenger safari seating. Pretty cool. Finally, we got a little bit of JDM for the young guys. 80s babies. 1987 BMW 325 IS. This thing doesn't have a speck of rust. Super clean. 5-speed manual. Spent its life out west. Super clean. Got this one, I believe, listed for 18 grand. This one's not up yet. It's my son's car. And then we got this 2003 Mazda Protege wagon. This thing is bagged, sitting lower. Got this one up for 6,500. It's got turboed. It's a turboed engine. Just a pretty cool car for somebody, for the youngins. All right, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. We will be going the next video. Pay attention because we have the project video coming up, where you're gonna see all the cars that are about to come into the warehouse that are almost done. We have a Chevelle over there. We have another Camaro over there. We have a Mustang over there. We have some cars you're gonna see. Stay tuned in the next video. Appreciate you checking out our page. God bless the USA.